How do you keep your flower beds looking magical after sunset? Hi everyone, I'm Becky and this is the Solar Centre, where solar lighting actually works. This is everything you need to know about the Florin Solar Flower Lights. Let's get into it! The Florin Solar Flower Lights are 65 centimeters tall and the flower head has a 9 centimeter diameter. Let's open up the box and have a look. So in the box we have the instructions and the light. The light comes in two parts. We've got the light with the integrated solar panel and the stake. All you have to do is slide the two parts together and you have your light. Before you adjust the integrated solar panel, you'll need to switch the light on, which is on the back of the solar panel. Flip the switch to the S for a static effect and to the F for a flashing effect. Once you've selected the mode that you want, tilt the solar panel down so it can collect all that energy in the day, ready to glow at night. These lights come with a flexible wire which lets you mould the lights into any shape that you want. Just make sure you start small at the bottom and work your way up. The Florin Flower Light comes in 4 colours. We have this cosy and vibrant orange colour, and we have this calming and tranquil blue colour. We also have this pretty and elegant pink colour, and finally we have this charming sunny yellow colour. These lights are designed to glow up your shrubbery, your flower beds or your pathways. The LED bulbs are energy efficient, cable free and long lasting. The dust sensor turns on automatically after sunset. You'll get roughly 6 hours of runtime on a full charge. If you have any questions on this product, please do leave a comment below. Be sure to like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks so much for watching and we'll see you in the next one.